Is it going? Okay, cool. Okay, I've been working on this drum for like 3 days. Like the majority of 3 days, right, Cura?
A little bit more.
More? 4 days?
Well, because it took a long time to print.
Printing this design with this body. That's true, huh? The body itself took like
a day and a half.
Yeah, almost 2 days to print.
And it took you a little bit to design it.
And I designed it from scratch. So everything that's 3D printed on this, I designed from scratch. So I'm pretty proud of that. I'm getting a little bit better at Fusion 360. So this is my first test flight. I plugged it in, but I haven't actually gotten it off the ground yet. So it's so sturdy. Wow. Okay, let's go outside. You can keep recording if you want. This on the same video or whatever.
Doo-doo.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe how stable it is. Here's the other tiny one. Should I register with the FAA? Eventually. Terrible. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it down or not. Seriously, it's like way less than half throttle, so it just wants to go up. And there's a little breeze there. Okay, yeah, I need to figure out why it does that, because now it doesn't let me arm it again.
It looks like a UFO.
Wow. I need to just practice that a little bit, just hovering it in one place with a breeze. A little bit warm, not getting too hot. Yeah, that one's a little bit hot. Because on the last body it just melted right through the plastic. But, okay, armed that time.